Good morning, Bears. I'm Joslyn. Welcome back to BTV. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving break, and only 14 days remain for the semester to end. Bears, the fall semester exam schedule is out. Finals begin on December 16th with the third period review and exam, and on December 17th and 18th, you have 4th, 5th, and 6th period reviews and exams. December 19th, you have exams for 1st and 7th, and December 20th, you finish up with exams for 2nd and 8th periods. Let's begin with the Beary Merry Holiday theme days. Yesterday was holiday headgear. Today is wear Crocs with holiday socks, and tomorrow is warm-up Wednesday, so wear a holiday onesie. Thursday is character day, and Friday is holiday chaos, so wear your most mismatched holiday outfit. Seniors, if you need help filling out the financial aid application, make plans to attend the financial aid workshop on Wednesday in the computer lab, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., and it begins with a short presentation. Then you can complete the financial aid application. Here's a shout out to our Bears football team on making it to the area round of the playoffs. Sadly, our by-district champs fell to Austin Westlake 24-7 on November 22nd, ending their playoff season. It was a good run, Bears. Our Lady Bears had a good Thanksgiving break with a 65-45 win over Harlan on November 26th and a 49-39 win on November 30th against Laredo United. Get out to cheer them on as they face O'Connor on Friday at 5:30 p.m. at the Paul Taylor Fieldhouse. BFND, ladies. Our Bears basketball team also had a good run at the Thanksgiving Hoop Fest by beating Bishop O'Connell 84-58 on November 29th, and then a 67-64 win against Roosevelt Los Angeles on November 30th. Get out tonight to cheer them on versus Harlan at 7 p.m. at the Paul Taylor Fieldhouse. BFND, Bears. Juniors, your class is in dire need of raising funds for your 2026 prom, so take advantage of the crowdfunding the class of 2026 will use for a fundraiser. Class sponsor Mary Dijon will send out an email with the form. After scanning the QR code on the form, follow the instructions on the Raise 365 form, and be sure to add your contacts to help you raise money for your prom. Finally, the Brennan Café is open for teachers and staff to place orders for pizza, pasta, subs, and don't forget their delicious cookies. Orders began at $8. A menu was emailed to you this morning. This is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you miss any part of the broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Joslyn, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in your learning, and evolve every day. And hope you made it to the Senior 25 aerial panoramic photo shoot this morning.